Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're up early getting ready to do some beef short ribs. I've never done these before, but I wanted to give them a shot. I've seen a lot of videos and they look pretty good. So today's the perfect day to do a nice long low and slow cook. So I've got 3 of these bones. I'll show them to you here in a second. And 3 bones is about 5 pounds of meat. I mean, that's large. So these are going to take 5 to 6 hours at about a 250, 275 temperature. So we'll get the bones out of the house. I'll show you how to dress them up. We got the big green egg heating up, and we'll cook those things. So stay tuned. All right, family, we've got the big green egg settled in at about 250 degrees. And here's the start of the show for today. So these are the beef ribs. I mean, these things are monstrous. I mean, look how big this darn thing is. Try to give you an order of magnitude. I mean, that's my forearm compared to this thing. So it's huge. So it's going to take a long time to cook. So what I'm going to do is I've got some olive oil here, some kosher salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some cracked black pepper with some paprika. So I'm going to just wipe these down with the olive oil as an adhesive. Get these nice and seasoned up. Don't be afraid to add a lot of seasoning to these pieces of meat because they're gonna be rendering for a long time. Beef can take a lot of salt, a lot of pepper, and not be over seasoned. So we'll get these seasoned up. I'll show you what they look like right before we place them on the grill. But again, we're looking for about a 5 to 6 hour cook on these. We'll see how it goes. My first time trying them, so let's get it done. Okay, here's what our bones are looking like after they've been seasoned up, just to give you an idea. And again, you want to season all 4 sides of this thing, so as it's rendering out, those seasons will get down into that meat. One thing that I forgot to mention earlier in the video is that you want these to be as close to room temperature as possible. So take them out of the fridge early, let them come up to room temperature, and then season them, and then throw them on the grill. So again, we've got the big green egg ready to go. We're going to take these, place them on the grill, bone side down, and then we'll just let them do their thing. So we'll be back in just a second. All right, folks, that's the start. We've got them aligned. I put my biggest piece in the back, biggest to smallest. And my big green egg, the back side is usually the hottest spot, so we put that bigger one back there. But we'll get the lid closed. We won't look at these for about 2 hours. We really want that smoke to get soaked in there, really get that good flavor going. And 6 hours from now, we'll have a good meal. So this will slowly creep back up to 250 where it was and stabilize, and we'll just wait. That's the name of the game. All right, 2 hours in, we're gonna peek in and see what it looks like. There we go. Still early in the process. Smells good. We'll close it back down and let it keep going. Another 2 hours. We'll peek in at the 4 hour mark. Alright, here's the 4 hour check-in. We got a little bit of temp creep, but that's okay. I actually needed it because I was worried about these being done in time. But that's how we're looking. That. Wow. The meat is starting to pull away from the bone. That's what we want to see. We're hoping these are done in another 2 hours. Still got some smoke rolling, which is good, so we're almost there. Still a lot of meat though, good lord. It's a lot of meat. So I'm good. We'll check in about 2 more hours. Alright, here we are, 6 hours in. These are done. They are all reading at about 203 degrees, so we're gonna pull them off. I didn't get the bark on it that I expected to get. Maybe I didn't load the big green egg up with enough wood, but you can just tell how tender this is. I mean, it's not a lot of force being pushed. It's just sinking right into it. So we're gonna pull these off. We're gonna let them rest. We'll plate them up, and we'll give it a taste. Again, I've never done these before, so I'm kind of excited to see what they taste like. They smell really good, so we'll see. Back in a few. All right, everybody. Here she is. We took one of these bones after it's rested. Just want to show it to you there. Again, nice color. Didn't get the bark on it that I wanted to get, but it's all good. So we're gonna see if we can get this off the bone and have a little taste. See what. Okay. Well, that's what I'm talking about. yeah, that didn't take a lot of effort. Let's cut into this guy. See what it looks like. Very nice. Nice color to it. A lot of fat still in it, but very nice color. Let's see what it tastes like. It's really good. Lots of flavor. Can't really describe it, but it took on that smoke very nicely. Not overpowering. The seasonings are there. This is going to be really good. This is a good first cook. I think I can do a lot better the next time by maybe planning for a much longer smoke to continue to let that fat render out. But again, as you can kind of see here, I mean, it's good and juicy, beautiful color. I think the family's going to enjoy that. So thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this. We'll continue to try to do as best as we can to do a new video every week. But thanks for being loyal fans and friends, more importantly. See you next time.